So today we're doing the TET, the Trans-European Trail, from the same starting point we've done the other week. Last week or the other week took us out through Guildford, Godalming, and basically south of England east. And today we're doing the same starting point, but heading west. It's actually more southwest. And we are going out towards Petersfield, Hind's Head, Haslemere, you know, that kind of neck of the woods. So anyway, straight into it. No f***ing about, just get on with it. This is pretty f***ing steep. Nothing like warming up, just get on with it. Oh, that's sand. Oh, wasn't expecting that. God, Jesus Christ. This feels familiar. Do you not remember this? That little water bit. Huh? The water.
Well, that's here, isn't it? Looks like quite low. We've got to go through French and Ponds, haven't we? I'll bet. You know, all that sand all the way through.
Oh.
So we go through and turn left.
Oh, I'm going to love that.
Yeah. I'll be going 2 miles an hour.
Well, this is... Where's the water gone? Are you sure? Because there's no walkway.
Yeah. It goes down there, look.
Oh, yeah.
I've nearly got stuck.
Do you know what? You know that tree that was down with the roots? When I looked in my mirror, it looked like your legs were in the air. I thought you'd rolling off. Right, we're coming up to a real tricky bit now. All right on dirt bikes, but yeah, it's going to be a little bit. I don't know. Let's see how we get on. It's a lot of sand, a lot of deep sand. You up for this?
This is going to be a slow run through.
We can go round.
I'm up for it. You up for it?
Yeah, I'm up for it. Famous last words.
Yeah.
Oh, well, sand isn't my friend. Oh, God. I'd love to see a pro coming through here on one of these with these tyres just to put me absolute to shame. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, it's all about finding your comfort zone and working on that, isn't it? And getting a little bit out of it. Oh, I'm going to nip through there. Oh, I don't know why I just followed his route. It.
fucking all over the place, isn't it?
Oh mate, can you unzip me up? I was following you, right, and you were zigzagging, making deeper zigzags, and I was following you, and I kept saying to myself, stop following these lines.
Yeah.
I mean, it's hard work walking in it, let alone riding it. Right, well, she's been down. Yeah, this never used to be here, did it? Okay, now. Sorry, little bambino bike. Wouldn't like to do this on a GS. Oh yeah, you need to go adventure riding on your GS, it's not for touring. Problem I have is my eyesight. As soon as I get into this kind of stuff, everything levels out and I can't see the undulations anywhere. And they're the little buggers that have you off. Oh, little Miss Sharpie would not like this at all. Not yet, anyway. I think we're heading towards what's known as the Devil's Punch Bowl again. So we've done quite a lot of lanes around this area, not on these sort of bikes, but it's difficult to know back then whether you're on the TET or just doing a bunch of lanes. Obviously those that know about the TET, it is a combination of a load of lanes all put together that are legally permitted for us to be able to ride. So there's the Trans-European Trail, and then there's also the ACT, which is the Adventure Country Tour or something. I'll put a description in the or actually I'll put it on the screen now. ACT, yeah, which is a combination of I think a part of the TET, but they've actually made it into certain segments. Horse. Thank you. Always respect other byway users, especially the horses. Oh crikey, this is bloody steep. Did I say crikey? Ooh, this is this is uber tricky. Oh, my belly pan, leave it in gear, it hit that, and it just literally I had no traction anywhere, and I just literally it just pushed me right. Good photo opportunity there, and there you go. Right, it's in gear, so we should be able to just lift it up. That's it. This is where we normally come the other way, isn't it?
And we come down here and all. I don't think we better come back up this way.
No.
There was a bypass, couldn't we?
Yeah, but that's pussying it out, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'd rather keep throwing it on the floor. Getting used to this.
I've got to try and get right round there, haven't I?
Yeah, don't hit that rock. Because that's the bit that, if you can, literally come straight across there. Tim, grab that big bit there. Grab that big bit and put that there, and literally just come straight across it.
Right down there?
Yeah. Yeah. Because you want to stop it from bottoming out, otherwise your belly pan might clip that and have you off. Yeah. Go left a bit. I'm not helping much, I'm just standing here. That'll do. Come over it here, across that bit.
Down there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite easy afterwards, isn't it? But let me get down there and make sure, but don't go until I'm stopped, right? Ooh. What's happened there then, Mr. Magoo? It might not have got like going over. Stop being a pussy dog. Put your ABS off.
I'm just thinking it's quite narrow, that's all I was thinking.
If it's the Trans-European Trail.
Yeah, you wouldn't just go, oh, we go that way.
Yeah. We've got to plug on, my friend.
Yeah.
No idea how deep that is. Oh, that was alright. Get to see that amazing view of the Devil's Punch Bowl. Not quite sure why it's actually called the Devil's Punch Bowl, but look at that. I'm sure there wasn't a devil that punched the earth. Or was there? Please comment below. Ah, that might. Oh, that's Sailor's Stone. That's nothing about the Devil's Punch Bowl. So we're turning right here. Now I'm just trying to work out if that's rocky in there. Yeah. If it's sand, it would have moved, wouldn't it? Yeah. I mean, we could go with a bridge, but that's just pussying out, isn't it? Okay, that's deep. That is deep. That was deeper than I thought. Mind you, from this side, look, it's saying it's 2 foot deep.
Oh yeah.
Didn't see that on the other side.
No.
I think Sarah would have drowned in there.
I thought, cool, that's gone down a bit.
As soon as you went in, I was like, ooh. And it's really sandy, wasn't it?
Yeah. That could have been dangerous.
We made it though.
Yeah.
Well, at least it's washed my bike. Whoa, you're going a bit quick. Slow down, mate. Got something here. It actually had us turning right back there, but it was up a like 8-foot high bank and then through 2 posts that were at the top. There's no way we were going to turn and get up that on these.
Really?
Yeah. Literally just round that corner there was like to get up this.
No chance.
No. You're alright, thanks. Morning, how are you? I bet he's hot, or she's hot. Yeah, he's hot. It's fantastic, yeah. Only mad dogs and Englishmen go out in the midday sun. He's beautiful. Take care. We ain't getting through there. It's too low. I can't even get the screen through it. Yeah, we'll have to go in there but have it leaned over like this. It's in gear, but right, I've got to brake, so if you just go behind and try and hold her up and then we'll push.
Which way are we going?
We're going to go literally through and then like up here a bit and then off to the left. So there's no way you'd do that on it. Right, hang on, if I start it, go forward a bit more so I can get my head up.
Ready?
Yep. Oh. Alright. Let me, mind your head. Let me get up there and I'll come back and help yours. Well, hopefully. Oh! Right, if you lean it this way, that's it, go on. Got to get up that. Oh no! After all that! Well, I'm glad you fucking dropped it anyway. It's made me feel better. God! Oh.
Heavy lumps, isn't they?
Yeah. Why don't you roll back so it's in this bit of ditch?
Yeah, that's what happened, wasn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it wasn't your doings.
No. Right up. I'll tell you what, I reckon we'd struggle to get up this in the winter.
Oh, we wouldn't do it, especially with all this salt.
Yeah, with that chalk and that down.
Yeah. We'd be alright on the Enduros.
Yeah.
Right. Turn it off. I think what happens is the fuel gets in, so it floods. Oh, that was hard work.
Wow. Yeah, exactly.
Fuck!